Today I'm going to Hyrum, Utah, Kilgore up in Hyrum, and it's a little different how you get there. So I'm going to show some video of the different turns you make to get there. We'll fast forward through it as much as we can, but I'll highlight the turns and kind of turn the video on when we need to. Here we go. We're going to drive down this street a ways and we're going to watch for a sign for Hardware Ranch. I'll resume the video then. Shall we say this is checkpoint number 1. So here's your sign over here. Hardware Ranch, Hyrum State Park. You see the sign telling you the highway goes that way. So we're going to turn right. And then I'll keep recording because we're just going to shoot up here and make a left soon. So you get in front of the school, again you see the highway sign telling you to turn left. There's a school over there. We come up to this stop sign, we'll hang a left. Now we're going to drive down this street all the way to a stoplight. I'll pick up the video when we get there. Now we're coming up to this stoplight. If you were to go straight, you'd head up the canyon, so you don't want to do that. We're going to take a left turn here. This is on to 800 East. And then we just drove a little ways down the road. And here is our right turn to go into the plant. It's just kind of in a field. It's unmarked, so it's not super obvious. Now we're just going to drive a little ways back down into the plant here. So I just kept driving down that road and now I'm in the plant. I'm going to show you where we pull around to unload, which we just loop around this plant and we face south when we unload here. This is as of July 2022, and you know sometimes things change, sometimes they change the slope, so you may, when that time comes, you may be a little different, but this guy's blocking my way, but this is where I'm headed. Right where his truck's sitting, there's a lane for us to go unload asphalt. Okay, let's run through the basics of the process here. So I got pulled up, I opened my dome lid, and I went and asked the plant operator which tank. He told me tank 4. So I hooked everything up, and then I opened my tank, turned on the pump, opened that valve, and then checked for suction and started to unload once I confirmed I had suction. This plant is going to change a little bit, this pump and these tanks, but I'll show you what we've got for now so you're familiar with the setup. Let me show you the tanks. So you got tank 1 and 2, and these valves are a little weird. This is how you know they're closed. On this one, it goes sideways. See those edges there? This one, it's got the little nubs on top. They're sideways, so we know it's closed. You've got this big valve handle that you use to open and close it. We're gonna walk over to tank 3 and 4. So this is 3 and 4, new tanks. Both of them have a little display. This is tank 4's display, tank 3's over there. This is how you see the level. It's at 253 inches. I started at 221. And in order to open your valves, you do that up here. It has the normal ones with the nubs on them that you can see. You've got your valve pipe right there. Tank 3's is over on there. Not valve pipe, but valve handle. So you can open and close it. All right, let's keep unloading. So just as I switched to another trailer, I wanted to mention, they keep their sample gear over here. These guys, sometimes they sample, sometimes they don't. Again, this is as of July 2022, and that may change. Just always ask the plant operator if they want to sample. Everything from here is pretty straightforward, like everywhere else we go. Once I get done and I'm finished unloading both my trailers, I'm gonna work my way from the trailer back to their tank. So I'll shut all this down. I'll unhook, I'll drain the hose, make sure you get a good drain on the hose. We'll shut that valve, turn off the pump, and and then we'll go shut the tank. We'll turn in our paperwork to the plant operator and ask them if they need anything else. And then we'll get on our way. Well, I hope that video was really helpful to you. If you would like, click over here. This is the subscribe button. You'll get more asphalt tips, tricks, safety videos, and stuff like that. After that, click over here to watch more of our videos so you can also become an asphalt tar master. Be safe out there and keep on hauling asphalt.